Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Losing weight can be challenging for some people. Sometimes you might feel like you are making healthy lifestyle choices, yet you're still not getting your desired results. Here are 12 common mistakes that are slowing down your weight loss process. Number 1. Eating very few calories. Calorie-restricted diets can help you lose weight quickly. But when this is done for a long time, it can make you feel low on energy and slow down your metabolic rate. This, in turn, can make weight loss and weight maintenance more difficult in the long run. Never restrict your calorie intake to a certain extent. Number 2. Not eating enough protein. Getting enough protein is important if you are trying to lose weight. In fact, protein has been shown to help with weight loss in several ways. High protein intake may promote weight loss by reducing appetite, increasing feeling of fullness, and boosting metabolic rate. Number 3. Not eating enough fiber. A low-fiber diet may be hurting your weight loss efforts along with your overall health. Eating enough fiber can help you feel full. It may help with weight loss even without a restrictive diet. Number 4. Not sleeping well. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Not only can it help speed up weight loss, but it can also be beneficial for giving a boost to your metabolism. You can sleep all you want during the day or take multiple naps in between your work schedule, but you will never feel as fresh or energetic as you will after getting a good, uninterrupted sleep at night. Number 5. Consuming sugary beverages. Many people cut soft drinks and other sweetened beverages out of their diet to lose weight. Reducing your sugar-sweetened beverage intake is a healthy choice. Even if you drink fruit juice instead, you are still getting a lot of sugar and are likely to take in more calories overall. Number 6. Not lifting weights. Performing resistance training can greatly promote weight loss. Weightlifting or resistance training can help boost metabolic rate, increase muscle mass, and promote fat loss. Number 7. Not exercising or exercising too much. A lack of exercise can lead to loss of muscle mass and lower metabolism. On the other hand, too much exercise is neither healthy nor effective, and it may lead to severe stress. Number 8. Not doing strength training. Strength training is equally important and can, in fact, make your weight loss regime more effective. Strength training is required for building up muscles, and it is also required for a healthy metabolic rate during weight loss and aging. Number 9. Focusing only on cardio. If you make the error of ignoring strength training in your workout, it may cause you to lose muscle mass. Strength training can enhance your cardio efforts, improve your lifting performance, develop strength, and enhance muscle growth. Number 10. You eat standing up. Many people eat a bag of chips standing at the fridge, deciding what to make for a meal, or they eat snack foods impulsively when they stand. Sit down to a plated meal and you will see exactly how much you eat, rather than eating excess food. Number 11. Your servingware is too big. Using large plates, bowls, glasses, and even utensils? Research shows that using large dishware makes it too easy to underestimate portions and therefore overeat. Number 12. Switching to a vegetarian diet to promote weight loss. When done correctly, a vegetarian diet can lower cholesterol, decrease your risk of heart disease and cancer, and even help with weight loss. People often adopt a vegetarian lifestyle and they don't control their portions and eat a lot of heart-healthy nuts, seeds, and oils. But the calories add up quickly and contribute to weight gain. Here we end up for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.